Hi, welcome to An American Accent. Today we're looking at syllable stress, the difference between many nouns and verbs when they look the same, but they don't sound the same. There you see what a look like is. A man who's trying to look like Lincoln. I doubt he was ever in London. It's very common for nouns to have the stress on the first syllable, while the verb that looks the same has it on the second syllable. And we're going to look at examples of that. One example where that is not true is the word contact. It's a contact and to contact. And the opposite can be as well. So here are some words that we're going to practice. The first one is record as a noun and record as a verb. Now, if you notice the colors in parentheses, that is a reference to the Color Vowel Chart by Taylor and Thompson. I'll put a link in the description so that you can look into that if you're interested. It has to do with the pronunciation of the stressed vowel. In the record, it sounds like red, the eh. Then record sounds like orange. Anyway, let's get back to the syllable stress itself. So the noun, you start high on record and drop. She set an Olympic record. Record. You go up and then you glide down a little bit. They record their pronunciation homework. Contest. Go high on con. Contest. She entered a hard contest. Contest. They contested the results. So there the stress is on test. Contest. Rebel as a noun, you have the stress on re, and you want to go high on that and stronger and longer. He was a rebel when he was younger. And the verb, rebel. He rebels against authority. And here we have the word invite as a noun. It's kind of short for invitation. So invite starts high on in and drop. Invite. I received an invite to her party. Invite. So you go up on vite. You start high on vi and then you kind of glide down. But we do that when the stress is on the last syllable of a word. They invited us to their house. The noun contrast. There's a big contrast between you two. Contrast as a verb. So here you want to go high on trast and then glide a little bit. Contrast. He contrasted the two pictures. Upset. You're more familiar with the adjective upset, but here we have the noun upset. The victory was an upset in the election, meaning a very surprising result. Upset. And this is more related to the adjective upset. He upset her with his cruel words. So pay attention to how people speak, where the stress is, and if you have to guess, you have a two-syllable word. If you have to guess it's a verb, guess probably the second one, like receive. Thank you for watching. See you next time.